Our sun will die. This is not a theory, not a possibility. It is a certainty written into the laws of physics. In approximately 5 billion years, the star that gives us life will exhaust its fuel, expand, and collapse. Today, we walk through exactly what will happen, step by step. The sun is burning through roughly 600 million tons of hydrogen every single second. Eventually, the core will run low. The core will contract and heat up, causing the sun to swell into a red giant. Mercury and Venus will be swallowed. Earth will likely be engulfed or scorched to a cinder. After the red giant phase, the sun's outer layers will be expelled, forming a beautiful planetary nebula, one of the most stunning objects in the universe. What remains will be a white dwarf, which will cool over billions of years into a black dwarf. A cold, dark object in space. No black dwarfs exist yet. The idea that the entire physical universe will one day end is not new to Islamic thought. It is foundational. Our